Bengal supports BJP.
You know, what is coming, and more it appears that Mamata Banerjee could be heading for a historic win. And that's the only word that one can use when a leader is facing the odds and appears to be winning. We've got more guests who are joining us at the moment. This could be historic in several ways, Manisha Priyam, a historic win.
Yeah, and I would also like to say that we just had a theory that said that Mamata Banerjee will do well in the rural areas. Now that's something that your data does not hold up and show. There is a far deeper, richer and nuanced story to all this. The fact that it's the CPM losing out on its strongholds and the BJP and TMC have been fighting neck and neck in rural Bengal. And that's really where the fights have been. Mamata Banerjee is holding on to urban Bengal means that the Bengali Bhadralok, the intelligentsia, have gone in favor of her. Who can explain to us that it's in urban Bengal that we have the Bihari, the UP and the Marwadi voters? So really, the potpourri, the melting pot of West Bengal also going towards the TMC, and that's something that was unanticipated in data and unanticipated in past precedents in West Bengal. I would also like to add here
I have been, Manisha Priyam, I have been saying for 1 month the woman. I did not see any anger among the women. Kanya Shri, Rupa Shri, these schemes make a difference. Dware Sarkar. People still trust Mamata. Women trust her. Why don't we realize this sitting in Delhi? We get carried away by the narrative set by national leaders. That is part of our problem. We don't realize grassroots leaders have a connect.
Rajdeep, that Kanya Shri, Roop Shri, Cha Shri, all these are making a difference. Mamata Banerjee has also played a very big role in the tribal politics with women. Bir Bahasa Munda, for example, on the western parts of Bengal that border Jharkhand, there's been a massive tribal woman consolidation. At the end of today, we might reformulate, as you said, the MM combination, the Mahila Muslim, but that's also tentative. But definitely many theories that had been put forward until now, that it will be the rural and the poor who will wait for Mamata and BJP does well in urban areas, all those theories have certainly been put to the wayside. BJP's upsurgence has to be explained largely by the fact that in Amphan Mamata failed and CPM did not pick up in areas, the Congress did not pick up in areas where Mamata failed. That BJP took away.
Can you show me, Rahul, one more thing that interests me? I get your point. Ma'am, can you show me one more thing that interests me? I don't know whether you have it on the dashboard as round by round. It appears to me, and this is what has been told to me by Mamata's close confidant, we have swept last 3 rounds. There were 114 seats, and maybe later in the day, 114 seats, round 6, 7 and 8, fought on the 23rd, 26th and 29th, after the COVID narrative had begun to take over the country. They are claiming they are winning 94 out of 114. No, Rahul, that's a big story.
True, but those are also seats which were weak for the BJP and strong for the Trinamool.
Rahul, Tiger, the fact is at the moment, in a close race, you have said first 5 rounds, BJP appeared with these numbers, actually may even have been level or slightly ahead.
Correct.
Come the last 3 rounds, the mood swings one way. I'm just saying as another sub-narrative, as the election has gone on, polarization perhaps has increased, yes, but there seems to have been a momentum in favor of Mamata. Yes, in many pockets which she was expected to do well, but also in Bardhaman, where the BJP was hoping to do well. So what has happened to my mind is suddenly after round 5, this election became one-sided. The BJP had the early momentum. It's like, you know, the cricketing analogy. You have the early momentum, but as you went round by round, Mamata picked up and not the BJP. One reason is her strongholds came, urban, semi-urban. But more than that, we'll have to find out, did COVID
and that is where
impact?
The BJP's gambit, that by having elections in the strong areas first, you'd be able to build momentum, like they did in Western Uttar Pradesh. You know, that's the BJP's typical style of thinking at present. Start where you are strong, build a momentum, hawa bana do that we are winning. And by the time you get to Eastern Uttar Pradesh where you're weaker, there is such a strong force that believes that you're winning that even where you're relatively weak, you cross the hump. That was their calculation. That doesn't seem to have happened because in the last 3 phases, the Trinamool is doing well. The one story, though, which will be the bitter note in the sweet morning for the Trinamool Congress is Mamata Banerjee herself trailing at present in Nandigram. 10,895 votes, Shubhendu Adhikari emerging as a giant killer of sorts. But, you know, there's also Meenakshi Mukherjee of the CPM, but you've got a gap, a fairly substantial gap, where you've got Shubhendu Adhikari in the lead at present, but that doesn't matter as much because Mamata Banerjee will be able to lead her party to victory. So that
it's
is
like
more
it's like
crucial.
Shubhendu's had the kosha mangsho and a lot of the sort of other delicious Bengali food, but the actual dessert, which is the real
mishti doi.
the mishti, the sondesh, the rasgulla is all around Mamta's house at the moment. I'm told celebrations. She's already ready to say, she wants to
at
wait.
179.
Yeah, her person is saying we want to wait till 2 p.m. and I think we should but it is clear that she's establishing a lead.
In some senses, it's also a reality
So it's
check.
a Pyrrhic victory. It's a Pyrrhic victory for Shubhendu if he wins Nandigram. Important, giant killer, no doubt. Becomes larger than life in that sense. But for Didi, this was about 150. For Prashant Kishore,
105.
105.
Oh boy, Prashant is still in the game.
He still might
Prashant
remain
is
a
still in the
political-
game.
he might not go to-
105.
Look,
it has to be. He said
it's
Dukan
a-
band if it's 100.
And I maintain, Rahul, a collapse of Congress, one reason I gave you, which I think Malda, Murshidabad, votes shifted, but also changing candidates. There's a lesson. Trinamool Congress changed a lot of their sitting MLAs.
But you
And
have
even
to give
Kinroy.
you have to give PK some credit. If the
Huge credit. Why,
BJP is
sir?
at 100,
Huge credit.
no, it's 5 more than he said would lead to his
Boss.
shutter being down. But
Boss,
105.
if this is true, it is huge credit to PK. On this moment, let's go to another Ghosh. I'm married to a Ghosh, but I'm going to Dilip Ghosh.